Hello, this video will show how to add text in a circle in Photoshop. This is an image I downloaded from freetext.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I will add a circle text in front of this image. Firstly, we can go to draw a circle using above, click it and shift to make sure this is a perfect circle. And then we can select the circle and the background image and align it to the center. And then we can use the type tool to add the text. Click it and move the cursor on the circle and click on the circle. We can edit the text. I will use Photoshop circle text. Now we can press shortcut Ctrl A to select all the text, and then we can change the font type, font style, and font size here. For example, I change the font size to 24, and then we can choose the alignment. We can align to the left, center, and to the right. I will keep it to the center, and then we can change the positioning alignment. We can click on the path selection tool, and then we can see that there are arrows on the both sides, and click it and move alignment to the center. And then I duplicate the text and I want to move to bottom. We can move it outside the circle and we can move it inside the circle. This is the text inside the circle upside down. So if we change our alignment, we can go to Window and Character, and there is an option to change the baseline. I type -14. So the text will be moving outwards. Now I change the text to upside down. This is how we can add text in a circle and make the text upside down in a circle by using Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.